Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of store-bought aloe vera gels filled with chemicals? In this tutorial, we will show you how to make pure organic aloe vera gel at home. By the end of this video, you'll understand the process and have a fresh batch of aloe gel. First, gather your ingredients. You will need fresh aloe vera leaves, guar gum, and preservatives. Next, choose the right aloe vera leaves. Look for thick green leaves that are firm to touch. Now start by cutting the aloe vera leaves from the plant. Slice the leaves lengthwise and scoop out the clear gel inside. Make sure to avoid any yellow sap as it can irritate the skin. Once you've collected enough gel, add it to a blender. Blend the gel until smooth. This may take about 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the thickener. Sprinkle in some guar gum. Blend again for a few seconds until you achieve a gel-like consistency. If you prefer your gel to last longer, add your chosen preservatives now. Blend briefly to mix everything together. Transfer your gel into a clean container. Seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator. Your homemade organic aloe vera gel is ready for use. You can apply it to your skin for hydration, or use it in DIY skincare recipes. Key learnings today include choosing fresh aloe leaves, blending to the right consistency, and adding preservatives for longevity. Now that you know how to make aloe vera gel, try it at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more organic beauty recipes.